Hi friends, I have been touched in recent months by all the inquiries coming in from many of you wondering about the whereabouts of your favorite gardening show on your local PBS station. And I wanted to respond to everyone in real time, but I just didn't have all the information I needed to provide everything you wanted to know. Until now. Since its inception, Growing a Greener World, or GGW as we like to refer to it, the Emmy award-winning television series that I created in 2010 has been the staple in 95% of public television stations across the country and beyond. But since the COVID lockdown in 2020 and the unexpected hiatus, we really had to scale back production. But we used that time to take a hard look at the best path forward for the television series, especially in light of the consumer trends that were emerging in how people were viewing television and video content. So we found ourselves in a rapidly changing landscape where consumers were choosing to view their content on demand on mobile devices rather than traditional scheduled television. And we realized a significant part of our potential audience was being missed, and they were the people that we needed to reach the most. So, after careful consideration with the team, we've made a very important decision. Although there are over 230 full-length, high-production episodes of Growing a Greener World, only about 26 are available for viewing at any one time due to licensing agreements with the network. Which means there are about 200 shows that you have likely never seen, and we want to remedy that. And our solution is to upload all of our past and future episodes exclusively online. Starting today, we will be rolling out every episode of GGW, which is over 200, exclusively on our YouTube channel, GGW TV. And the journey begins where we started with our debut season, with 26 full episodes, and you'll be able to watch the transformation over time as a great reference point to get started. And then in the ensuing months, we will be rolling out additional seasons one at a time until all 12 seasons are online. While transitioning away from over a decade of being involved with public television is bittersweet, especially for our traditional television audience, we believe this is the right change at the right time. All of our content will be freely available to anyone with internet access, and for our traditional television viewers, this transition simply means a change in the way that you view our content. And if you're new and haven't found us yet, you are our future and our greatest hope for sowing the seeds of a greener world. Since its inception, our vision for this series has always been to inspire people who watch our show to grow a greener world in their own way through organic gardening or environmental stewardship. But we're also convinced that the best way to invoke change is to reach as many people as possible in the most accessible way. Once this transition is complete, our next challenge will be to create additional new episodes that we'll be adding periodically exclusively into our YouTube channel, GGW TV. So thank you for your unwavering support, both past, present, and for whatever's to come, as we continue to provide access to high-quality gardening-style video content. Here's to Growing a Greener World together. Thanks.